Giving you guys a sneak peek of my favorite mall when I'm here, which is the Fashion Mall in Scottsdale. And look at these yummy treats here. They have all kinds of little things. I always get my Rolex watch tuned every time I'm here, and I always treat myself to a new workout outfit for the gym and come here, get my watch shined up, and I usually go straight up here, so I've got to go the escalator to get up. But I'm gonna go see my girl in Dillard's because I need some new makeup. And I think I'm gonna check in Sephora too. So anyway, this is Scottsdale and this is the Fashion Mall, and this is what it looks like. It's got a lot of high-end stores, but it has Forever 21, Charlotte Russe, Q, million wholesale stores too that are really reasonable. So this is what it looks like. And all the bachelorettes come here, and it has a selfie world if you just want to take a million selfies and play with your friends upstairs by Nordstrom's. This is your selfie girl. Bye.